properly defined or well defined. Now, however, by finite additivity of a premeasure, we can say nga the measure of b sub j is equal to this one, the the measure of b sub j intersection a sub k from k equal to 1 to n. For j is from 1 to m. Dagdagan siya from 1 to m. Now, makaingon nga equal na sila kay si b sub j and a sub j are disjoints. So that means so sana to intersection kang b sub j ug a sub j, si b sub j ra gyapon kay kuan naman siya, nagdagan man si k equal to 1 to n, and si nagdagan si j from 1 to m, so si b sub j ra ang makuha measure. And the same po dahil sa diri, mu of a sub k is equal to the intersection, the sum of the intersection of mu of b sub j intersection a sub k, j equal to 1 to m, so nagdagan diri si k from 1 to n. Therefore nga if we take the sum of b sub j, finite sum, then ikuan gyapon nato siya sum kani, which is this one, and also kani the measure of a sub k, which is kani day kukuha nato siya sum mo siya, and this is equal to the gikuha nato sum ani, gikuha nato siya sum finite sum gyapon, k equal to 1 to n siya. And if we interchange na nato ni sila, pwede nato sila interchange, equal na sila. So that means kani and kani are equal. Thus si mu prime is properly defined on S. So na-show na to nga well defined siya. Next is it remains to show that si mu prime is a premeasure on S prime. So to show that since si mu prime is properly defined man siya, ma-inherit din niya ang finite additivity from the finite additivity nga na-possessed by the measure mu. So to establish the countability, since ko naman okay naman ang finite additivity tungod sa well-definedness, aron nga ma-establish na po ang countable monotonicity sa mu prime, let's say E is a subset of S prime nga makover siya sa collection sa kaninga sets, collection of sets E sub k from k equal to 1 to positive infinity nga nagyapon siya sa S prime. Now, without loss of generality, we may assume na si E sub k, this collection here is a disjoint collection of sets on S. So if we let here E to be the union of this E sub j, now this one, si E is a union of A sub j, finite union, where the union is disjoint and each E sub j is nabilog yapon siya kung S. Now for each j, so A sub j is makover siya sa union aning intersection A sub j intersection A sub k from k equal to 1 to infinity. Makover siya, di ba, kay si A sub j in the first place, si A sub j is subset ang po siya sa A sub j intersection A sub k. So kada isa ka kay subset si A sub j. So kung dagano na to sila union, so always kita ma-cover si A sub j. Now, accountable collection of sets in S. So this is a countable collection of sets in S, and therefore by the countable monotonicity of mu, so that means countable monotonicity, if we take the measure of mu A sub j, less than siya sa countable sum sa measure sa A sub j intersection A sub k from k equal to 1 to infinity, which is this one. Thus, by the finite monotonicity of mu, since si E ato man gina-show diri nga si mu prime is countable monotonicity siya. So if we take the measure of E, mu prime of E, this is equal to this one. Kay kuan man finite disjoint si A sub j, union is disjoint. So the union is disjoint and si A sub j is namin siya kang S gyapon. So follow na siya equal additivity, and we know nga this one is less than to this one, which is kanatong na-arrive na gikuha lang nato siya sum ikuha na nato na siya sum, ikuha na ko nato siya sum outro from j equal to 1 to n to m. So mag-follow ilaha, mag-maintain ilahang inequality. And next is that interchange na to ning sum here, which is kaniyang result are equal. And next is kani siya equal aning mu of e intersection a sub k, and then equal din siya ani, sorry, this one is less than ani. Okay, so we can see nga si e intersection e sub k is always kani siya subset sa e sub k. And then if we take the mu, the measure of a sub k intersection a sub k, this is a subset of the mu prime ta, kay sa a sub k is naman siya sa s prime. So with respect to s prime ta, so a sub k na. And if we take the sum, sorry, and then if kuha na to ilang mga sum, dire mga sum, mag-maintain ka pa ilang inequality. So this is less than. Okay, next is therefore ang mu prime is countable monotone siya, kay from here na show na to nga less than siya, recall na ni sa s of k. So a is makover siya sa at kani mga a sub k. So si e, the measure of e, the mu prime of e is less than or equal to the sum of mu prime of a sub k from k equal to 1 to infinity. Therefore si mu prime is countably monotone, and we have shown the proof. Next is the Carathéodory-Hahn theorem. Now, dito sa Carathéodory-Hahn theorem, natin makita nga diagram which represents gakaon sa pagka extend ang pre-measure to pre-measure on a semi-ring to a measure. So, for that, atong i-state ang the Carathéodory-Hahn theorem. So, it says here nga, if we have a function here nga pre-measure siya on a semi-ring S of a subset of x, then the Carathéodory measure mu bar induced by mu nga extension siya sa mu, that is a conclusion, sorry. Then if we have a function nga pre-measure on a semi-ring S of subsets of x, then the Carathéodory measure mu bar induced by mu is extension siya sa mu. Now, furthermore, another is if si mu is sigma finite siya, then so ang iyahang mu bar, and ang iyahang mu bar is unique measure on the sigma algebra of mu star measurable sets that extends mu. So na diagram diri, if we have here a pre-measure nga function on a semi-ring S, we can see nga it implies nga it is the induced outer measure, which is this one, and we can see nga the induced outer measure implies the Carathéodoral extension theorem, which is nag-restrict na siya sa script M sigma algebra. Now, there is a Carathéodory-Hahn theorem, pwede din ta nga from here ma-imply din ta diri na pre-measure on a semi-ring S, we can imply nga mu can also be a mu bar. So it's nara, the Carathéodory construction extends a pre-measure on a semi-ring to a measure. Now, my proof, it says, we infer from theorem 12 and proposition 13 that mu bar extends mu. Now, assume that si mu is sigma finite. Nga, to show or to prove nga si there is a uniqueness, let here mu1 be another measure on script M nga nag-extend sa mu. So, duha ka buka tong gamiton para ma-show nato nga na uniqueness sa mu bar. We express here x as the union of x of k. Now, before wala na introduce day ang sigma algebra, before day ang Carathéodory-Hahn theorem,